That's it, friend?
Back on my bullshit, I'm packing a full clip. I'm trigger, bitch, get back for I pull it and let it rip. Hit you off on the hip up, my Glock, it don't hiccup. You better get the grip and don't slip up. Now put your hands where my eyes could see, like it's a stick up. Make one false movie getting lit up, cause I don't give a fuck like Bishop. I'm crazy like a redneck in the pickup. Shit get ugly like Sean say Billups. Hold up, let me fill up. My cup was a fine wine. Yo, bitch wanna fuck, all I gotta do is find time. So I just really want that Einstein. But fucking watch her do it back like a Thursday on my timeline. Swear I'm so out of my mind, the only one of my kind. Between me and you's a fine line. I sell rhymes like dimes and leave MFs doomed. Since my first tunes, I've been raising hell from the tombs. Look, I'm getting hotter every June. You say you with the smoke, well I'm with the heavy fumes. You got goons, I got goons. Everybody got goons. Question is, do you got the cajoons? You niggas fools. You really need to stop the buffoonery before I take it back on them. Start snatching their jewelry. You niggas talk tough, but that shit don't be fooling me. Fuck around, and this verse gon' be in your eulogy. This the type of shit I do usually. I move indubitably and put these words together so beautifully, while I beat the beat so brutally. Like cops in my community, abusing diplomatic immunity. Said I'm soon to be the greatest in your top 5. Cause when I drop, watch the rest drop just like flies. They be shook when a nigga like me on the rise. Cause I ain't afraid to look a Lion King up in his eyes. Nigga, what? But what's a king to a god? Feeling like the realest motherfucker alive. Kill a nigga before I let him push me aside. Cause bitch, I'm tryna break even over the eyes, nigga. But what's the king to a god? Feeling like the realest motherfucker alive. Kill a nigga before I let him push me aside. Cause bitch, I'm tryna break even over the eyes, nigga. Let that shit breathe. Hold up, let that shit breathe. Yeah, ill-minded child. Let's get 'em.
How many pieces I'm eating? Forbidden fresh fruit. 16 pieces, the sweetest I feast on flesh too. Versus bulletproof on the chessboard, pick your best move. I already made mine, where's the next loop? 100 plus miles, I'm turning frowns upside down. Using every tool to close these tombs like King Tut right now. I'm cutting ties, then cufflinks might bounce. Until the ground feel an urgency to bury me or worry my spouse. All is sleeping, I'm wide aroused. I'm right around, fine China's in Chinatown. Fine dining with lighter sounds, that's for the spliff, nobody make a sound. I came to wipe these babies down with nothing less than Egyptian cotton for towels for cotton picking, no doubt. This little nigga just turned big nigga. You now are tuned into the era where we better than who's around. Fuck, try to give up the pounds. I told y'all niggas once and only now. I think I'm going psycho for the sound. Only cycles I see around. Go round and round like a new carousel. What's a king to a god? The difference is one of them don't compare themselves. I'm only here to make a name plus generational wealth. No kidding, New York state of mind. I guess it was written. I'm out in Queens after I handle my business. I'm too ambitious. And I've been flipping physics way before I met critics. So what you saying to the dead of the living? God about it, yeah. But what's a king to a god? Feeling like the realest motherfucker alive. Kill a nigga before I let him push me aside. Cause bitch, I'm trying to break even over the odds, nigga. Yeah, but what's a king to a god? Feeling like the realest motherfucker alive. Kill a nigga before I let him push me aside. Cause bitch, I'm trying to break even over the odds, nigga.
What's up?
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
Speedy FPV.
Oh, Speedy FPV out here again, flying around, crashing into me.
Mid-air collision.
Making me crash.
Scratched my brand new battery.
Did you really? Come on, man.
You done?
I am, yeah, that was my last pack. All right, we out.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend? Yes.